All right, guys, welcome to this week of your course. So I am logged in with the student view so you guys can kind of see what is going to be due this week. So far I have gotten Monday together for you. I need to kind of gauge how you guys work as far as being able to pace everything out. So I'm going to use Monday as my tester. So this is what you will do. You will come to your announcements. Underneath your announcements is where you're going to find what you're scheduled to do for the week. So remember today, or so far I've only paced out Monday just to see if you guys can get all of these items done in one day. If not, that will help me to figure out how to repace to make sure you have enough time in your course to get the items that are assigned done. So if I need to do less items, I will do that, but they will still be due. So you may want to make sure that you're doing your absolute best and you're staying focused. So today you're going to do your module 1 lesson summary, your module 1 lesson 1 quiz, and then module 1 lesson 1 assignment. And this is where you will find all of these items. When you go to the module, you will scroll down to module 1 and you're going to see the items here. Okay, so you want to make sure that you first read your lesson. You will see your summary box appear here, and then you will have your quiz and then this lesson assignment. So those are the 3 items that are required for you to complete today. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and let me know.